I've had this stone since I was a kid, so let's find out what it is. This is how a gemologist would identify mystery gemstones. I start out with the microscope. I will look for any inclusions or blemishes that might help me identify the stone. I also check for anything that might indicate the stone is a synthetic. So here I see a fingerprint and silk and some crystals, and there are also some other inclusions as well. I also know that this stone is natural and has not been heated because the silk isn't broken apart. Next, I'm going to check the refractive index of the stone. This is really important for identification because basically what the device does is it measures how light bends as it interacts with the stone, and each stone has a different measurement or range of measurement. So here you can see it's reading 1.76 to 1.77, which is consistent with corundum, and it's blue so it could be a sapphire, but to make double sure I'm going to check the specific gravity of the stone. Each stone has its own specific gravity range. Kind of like a fundamental property of the stone, it's calculated by finding the weight of the stone in air versus water. In my opinion, I think it's really important for gem ID. I actually use it a lot. Okay, so the SG of our stone is 4.0. Okay, I'm going to go back, and I know you think we're done, but I'm not. I just want to be triple sure, and I'm going to use the polariscope to check to see if the stone is singly or doubly refractive. It is indeed doubly refractive. Okay, so now with all this info, I'm going to go back to my gigantic chart, and I'm going to rule out a bunch of other stones that have similar properties. So by the process of elimination, this is definitely a natural blue sapphire, which is so cool. There are also a bunch of other tests that could be done, but I don't really think they're necessary to identify the sapphire this time. But they're really useful for other stones or stones that are a little bit more of a mystery and you need more data to go off of. So, did you learn anything from this video? Let me know in the comments.